Alright, just wanted to make a video reviewing the Maxpeedingrods coilovers. I've had them installed for about a month now, and so far they're doing great. Completely adjustable ride height. I was able to get exactly the height that I wanted, front to rear. It's pretty easy to adjust the height. You just loosen the collar, and then you just spin the bottom of the coilover. It's very simple. You lock it back in place. They are 24-way adjustable dampening, which is really nice. I have I prefer the front. I have it all the way stiff, and it still rides very comfortably. The rear, I have it in the middle on 12. It gives it a really nice ride, like stiff in the front, very soft in the rear. I couldn't be happier. Ride feels great. No noises, nothing weird. They're a completely budget-friendly coilover. I don't know if I want to say for the price it's the best money out there for like a Honda, whether it's an Accord, whether it's a Civic, or like Acura Integra, RSX, that kind of stuff, TSX, TLs. I think I paid like $330, and these are the fully adjustable ones. They do make a cheaper version. I think they're like $280, $290-ish for the non-dampening ones. But from where my car is sitting, the coilovers could probably adjust 2 inches even lower. But obviously I don't need that whatsoever. I got the ride height I wanted. And how smooth it is, and the comfort of it as well. These are 20-inch wheels with a 225 35 20-inch tire. And this is a 08 Accord, same as the 08 through 2012. But yeah, I'll keep doing reviews on these, but right now I give them a thumbs up, and I would recommend them to friends. And so I've owned a lot of, well, I wouldn't say a lot, I've probably had like 10 different sets of coilovers over the past 10 years. I've had TN, I've had Apex, I've had BC coilovers, I've had function form type 1s and type 2s. I've had a lot of different name brand coilovers, and I've never tried a budget-friendly coilover, but so far I'd rate them up there with the big brand name coilovers. Obviously it's just test of time of, do they last 2 years, do they last 5 years? I do drive my car quite a bit. This is my daily driver. I put about 60, just going to and from work, I put about 62 miles on it a day, and then plus other like running errands, that kind of stuff. But like I said, I'd recommend them right now, and I'll put a link in the description below to the exact set that I bought, and I'll link some other ones for like Civic owners or RSX or TLs or TSX, that kind of stuff. But if you have any questions or complaints or something that I need to look into for you, I'll be more than glad to answer questions for you. Just leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Or if any other products on my car you see, like I replaced the headlights just to give it a little bit cleaner look. I tinted the windows. I did do an Android radio, one of those 10.1-inch touchscreens. I don't know if you can see it. But that was real nice. Also did a backup camera, some LED lights. I did the rear spoiler there. The backup camera already came painted white, so it looks pretty nice. Lights up at night. When you put it in reverse, you can see real well. But I appreciate you guys following my channel, and been watching my build of this car. Like I said, the coilovers are only about a month old, but I'll keep doing reviews and letting you guys know what I think of them. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.